Connect with a wider audience and increase your site's reach by taking advantage of Squarespace's social sharing tools and integrations. Social icons are links to your social accounts. When visitors click an icon, they'll be taken to the connected social profile. To add your social media links, from the home menu, click Settings, and then Social Links. You can add social icons to your site by adding a social links block. A common place to add these is the footer of your website. But you can customize your site and add them wherever feels best for your brand. You can also push content from your website to your social media. This is a great way to save time if you want to cross-post new content. First, you'll need to connect your social media accounts by clicking Settings and Connected Accounts, and then Connect Account. Then make sure Show Push option is checked. For Facebook and Pinterest, select a push target from the drop-down menu in each connected account settings. This tells us where to post if you have multiple Facebook pages or Pinterest boards. Another good way to integrate your social media accounts is pushing posts from your social media to your website. Do this by using a social blog for the platform you want to display. This will show a feed for your most recent posts. Squarespace also offers the ability to extend your brand's presence across social media using Unfold to create a bio site of important links. We also offer Video Studio to create professional quality videos with the Video Studio app. And once your social media accounts are fully integrated, you can visit the Analytics page to view your website traffic sources. Here, you can see which social networks are driving the most traffic to your site. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.